How are you doing, MCAT students? This is Medicosis Perfectionalis. Today's video is the Golgi apparatus. By the way, what is the plural of this word apparatus? Let me know down below in the comment. Without further ado, let's get started. I've talked about all of these subjects before. Don't forget to subscribe and go to my MCAT biology playlist. Also, I've talked about number 7, the endoplasmic reticulum. Again, mitochondria, powerhouse. Lysosome is the soldier. Endosome, the delivery guy. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. Translator, yes. CPU, yes. Uber, yes. SAR is the donut. Golgi. Today's topic is the sorter. It modifies cellular products, sort them, and direct the delivery. Peroxisomes are the gym trainers. Golgi apparatus, the distribution center. The sorter is a group of stacked membrane-bound sacs. Stuff goes to the ER, endoplasmic reticulum, then into vesicles, then into Golgi, then to their destination. Golgi modifies stuff by adding chemical groups such as phosphate, sulfate, carbohydrate, adding signal sequences. It orders stuff to go into a certain location in the cell. That's why we call it sorter. And it packs stuff into vesicles. How Golgi works. So here is the nuclear membrane. It has some pores. Very cool. Endoplasmic reticulum is here. Here is the Golgi apparatus. First part is called the cis Golgi apparatus, and here's the trans Golgi because it will transport the vesicles upwards or towards the outside. Here is the vesicle, and this vesicle, when it goes outside of the cell, it's called exocytosis. And here is the amazing phospholipid bilayer cell membrane. These vesicles right here are called endoplasmic reticulum vesicles. They get pinched off of the endoplasmic reticulum and they go to the Golgi apparatus. So it transports them further and further and further, keeps detaching and then reattaching these vesicles again and again and again until they are transported to the outside, maybe into the cell or maybe outside of the cell for secretion as an exocytosis. So, 3 destinations. Either going outside through exocytosis, okay, or going into lysosomes, or going into cytoplasmic components. So here are the 3 destinations. Number 1, vesicles for exocytosis. Number 2, the famous lysosomes. And number 3, some cytoplasmic components. Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, endosomes, and lysosomes work together in harmony. So this is called endocytosis. Getting stuff into the cell is called endocytosis. If it's harmful stuff, it gets destroyed by the lysosome because it has hydrolytic enzymes, as we have discussed in a previous video. So exocytosis going out, endocytosis going in. Golgi helps with the lysosome because it produces the lysosome, and it helps with exocytosis as well. That's why Golgi is a hero. The cells that are secretory cells, which means they will secrete lots of stuff, they have lots of Golgi apparatuses inside of their cells. Form follows function. That's it for today. What do you think about this video? Let me know down below in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, SoundCloud, Instagram, and don't forget to support this channel on Patreon. Thank you so much for watching. As always, be safe, stay happy, and study hard.